Alright, so wanted to do a quick review here of Ted's Woodworking. Found it recently online, saw an ad for it, and checked out some reviews and ended up getting it. Some of the reviews were negative, saying that there weren't organized plans with this whole thing with Ted's Woodworking. But I went ahead and got it, and anyway, I just want to show you guys real quick. I found that there was some organization, which was cool. So anyway, and you can also see here all the, come on computer, there we go. You can also see here all the follow-up emails. So I like that because I'm new to this, so it's cool for me. Let's see here. Here's the order. Alright, let's go ahead to the members area. I've been in here before. I'm just going to open it up and show you. Okay, so let's check this out here. Alright. Cool. Yeah, so he talks here, whatever. This page talks about where the downloads are, some other stuff included, lifetime access, free updates, free bonuses, and I think some of those emails I saw had like bonuses and updates and stuff. VIP newsletter. Okay, cool. I didn't get this, the DVD edition. I'd rather just do it for my computer. So I'm not going to do that for 20 bucks. 30 bucks, that's alright, I can just do it here on the computer. As you can download these plans. So let's see, start browsing your members hub. Yeah, right, so we've got it all over here on the left. A bunch of plans and resources. You got CAD and DWG, so that's cool. And if I show, let's see, alright, let's see, go to the bottom real quick. Right, okay. So, let me see here. We go to the Woodworking Plans Part 1. This thing is supposed to have 16,000 plans. I have not calculated yet to see if it has all 16,000, but let's check this out. Here's some woodworking projects. Okay, block some of this out for privacy, but let's see here. Alright, so here's where I noticed they had some organization, which was good because it's a lot of plans. So we got an index file here. Alright, so they've got, you can always refer to this to find stuff, which is pretty cool. And this thing, you can see, goes on 14 pages, just freaking goes on and on. Yep, there we go. So anyway, that is the index I found with this thing, and then here's the plans. Download these. These are part of the plans. There's other ones. 752 pages. Good lord. Alright, so, and here's the projects, and alright, a little bit of that at the beginning. Blah blah. Candle box. So you can see this is in order with the index. Candle box was the first thing on the index, and I've gone through and checked this out, and it just goes in a row here. You've got next thing, the bent wood boxes, and it just keeps going in order with the index. So I want to check that out, show you guys real quick. I'm pretty happy with it. It's got a lot of resources, which is helpful for me. I'm pretty new to this, so let's see here what else is going on in here. Well, there's just another one. Let's see if there's an index with this one too or not. I haven't checked this out yet. Okay. Here we go. Alright, cool. It's got an index file too. Right on. Okay. This one's like 14 pages. Alright, that's pretty cool. Let's see about this. Teddy Bear Bank. Alrighty. 817 pages. It's got a bunch of stuff in here. Okay. Big Book of Woodworking Plans. I have not checked this out. Let's see what's going on here. Come on. There we go. 1,600 pages. If it'll open. Let's see here. Alright, here we go. Reprint this for personal use only. Okay. 1,600 pages of projects. Thousands of ideas. Okay, cool. Nice. Yeah, that's one of the cool things I like about this. Everything's... You can just scroll right through and download all this. Makes it way easier. Okay, outdoor furniture plans, cool. I'm not going to take you guys' time down opening everything here. Most popular collection of plans. Furniture around the house, crafts. So, yep, a whole bunch of stuff. If you're having issues with downloads, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Alright, got your DVD edition here. Special offers. Extra support. Yeah, and I've hit them up once before with a question on customer support, and they hit me back. I wasn't really sure if they were gonna, because I've read some other, or watched some other reviews on YouTube, and they were saying they couldn't even get a hold of them. So, you can actually get a hold of them. I found a way to do it here, or you can do it to, see, support up here, and I think through their emails too that they send. Well, actually, I don't know if you can respond to those, but anyway, I've tried the support and it works, so that's cool. And yeah, that's about it for this. Pretty happy with it. If you're interested in this, I put a link in this video for you. You can check it out. But yeah, it's Ted's Woodworking, and a whole bunch of stuff, as you can see. Alright guys, have a good one. Peace.